Hello everyone, how are you all doing? I hope that all of you are doing fit and fine and having a really very good time. I'm also doing well by the grace of Almighty God. So today in this video I'd like to show you the condition of my seed bed. আসলে আমি আমার ধানের বীজতলা মানে পিছনের কাছলা দেখতে যাচ্ছি আর কি, কি অবস্থা আপনাদের দেখাবো। So I want to show you my seed beds. Actually this is a rainy season and it has been raining since morning. That's why I'm here with this thing, that is umbrella. Umbrella মানে হচ্ছে ছাতা, যেটা আমরা ছোট কাল থেকেই জানি। So as you can see right now I'm standing beside the seed bed and I'm walking the bank of this seed beds. So actually I have two seed beds. Over here you can see this is a big one, and in this side I'm gonna show you this is a little one. So I can see that they are looking so beautiful, and maybe it's very big now. After 1 week later, maybe 1 week later, it will grow on our land. So দেখতে পাচ্ছেন আসলে 1-8 সপ্তাহ পরেই মনে হয় আমাদের ধানগুলো লাগানো যাবে। তো এই আর কি, আপনারা দেখতে পারেন আমার পিছনের কাছলার অবস্থা। So that is the thing. So no more today's video. That's enough for today. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you all.